Hello, welcome to my channel. So I have this Roborock S7 Ultra Max. Today it showed me clean the water filter. So I'm gonna show you how to clean the water filter. Sometimes Roborock will tell that app will tell you that basically you need to clean water filter. So water filter is here, you'll see over here, this is the water filter. Sometimes a lot of dust and everything, and because of the particles what we have in the water that's stuck in this is what the most of the times that Roborock will use to filter the water basically. So what you need is this brush, normal toothbrush, whatever you use the toothbrush. So I'll show you how you can remove this one. You see this, there is a small plastic one button, just press it and open it and that will come. You see that, the tray I little bit cleaned already. So basically what you need to do is take it to the water, running water, and just put it underneath that. Initially all the dirt and everything that's stuck inside those holes and underneath the tray, those things will go away. Sorry, we have a vacuum cleaner running basically, so sorry for that. Hope you can hear well. So what you need to do is basically under running water, take this brush and clean everything. So it nicely cleans, and now see everything looks good and it looks new also. So we have to do this cleaning sometimes because it's very important for our these things to stay for a longer time. So then once you do that, you see there is a dirt underneath that, you see that? So a lot of dirt is accumulated basically. So what you need to do is with the same toothbrush, with the same brush, you need to clean there as well. I'm soaking my brush and going here. Don't worry, nothing happens. So I am so see, underneath all the dirt it will come out. I'll take a little bit more again. But be careful, sometimes there are sensors, slight sensors are there on the side. So but for this brush it's very safe because you're not kicking anything out, So then once you do that, again I'm washing. You see this side actually, so dirt is accumulated. I am going to clean this side as well. So see this, how the dirt is coming out. It's very, very important, this tray need to be very clean all the time. So your vacuum cleaner performs very, very well. So that's why I'm saying only thing what you need is this brush. You see that, how the dirt is coming up? So of course a lot of dirt is stayed, in the form of water over there. But whatever is stuck in my brush, it's coming off. So I can do that. See, a lot of things is stuck on the sides as well. So we need to take a little bit movement, maybe Saturday, Sunday, and sometimes if we clean it. So we spend a lot of money on these vacuum cleaners, right? Nearly 1,000 or 1,100 or something like that. It's important that we need to pay a little bit attention to these small things and clean it up. Then these things will stay a very long time, If you don't do that, then it won't. Actually this brush also will come off, you just lift it up and take it out. See, the brush comes. You can clean this one also. I don't have good water, but I'll just clean it here. So this is what brush that cleans the Roborock vacuum cleaner underneath. So we just need to clean it up well and see if we can So once you do that, what you need is napkins. Normal kitchen napkins are good enough. Take the kitchen napkins and try to clean it, everything, because this will suck all the water. See, everything is come to this one. You see the dirt, everything is coming. So let me clean it here as well. Now it's like a new, very new. So I cleaned up everything. And I'll clean up the filter as well. So, and take the tray and install it back. Just put it in that slot, just press it. See, you see the click sound? So that means it's on the place. So when you see that, when you take out the tray, your bulb also goes red. That's indication that the tray has been taken out. So it got a very nice sensors for everything that you take out. I'm putting back again my brush as well, cleaning brush. And this one also, just press it. That's it. Now see, it looks very neat and very new. So that's how you need to clean. So yeah, schedule, like put if you are trying to run your vacuum cleaner every day, then set up a time every month and just look around and see if any mud is accumulating. It depends on the location where you are living. Sometimes because of the water, it will filter a lot of the dust and everything, so it accumulates over here, over there, and everywhere. And also, vacuum cleaner also bring a lot of dust from your floor. Whenever it does that, when this one cleans, everything falls here, so if you have a pet and other animals more, then you will see more of those things. So it's very important that you clean regularly, every monthly or something like that. So yep, thanks for watching.